It's Mateo here, and today, let me start the intro again. Sorry. Hey guys, it's Mateo here, and today I'm going to show you a magic trick that's pretty weird, but awesome at the same time. Now, all you're going to need is, water, salt, and sugar. This is not my house. This is my nonna's/grandma's house, grandparents. So first, all you're gonna need is add lots of sugar, and also you need a pot. I tried this before. It's really cool. Add lots of sugar. I put chocolate. It smells so good. Add lots of sugar. Once all the sugar looks like that, add a little bit of salt. Once you're done adding the salt, you'll put some water. Then once you add all the water, use your parents' permission have your parents' permission for turning on the stove, but since I'm less old, I don't need permission. So then put that, and then I'm gonna see something awesome. Might take a while, so be right back. It boils quicker. There you go, guys. How to boil stuff quicker. Bye. Check out all my videos. Peace.